We believe there are unconstitutional provisions in the 2025 budget. First, the Constitution says that education should be given the highest budgetary allocation. Ang bilang namin, the education is not being given the highest allocation. Sabi ng Malacanang, highest daw, dahil sinama nila yung budget ng TESDA. Ang TESDA naman, ang tinuturo nila, gardening, facial, pedicure, manicure, automotive body repair, driving, hindi naman formal education or ladderized education yan. Ang budget ng TESDA is about 20 billion. Pag tinanggal mo yon, talaga mas malaki yung budget ng DPWH. Yung DPWH naman, dinagdagan ng Congress ng about 189 billion in insertions. Ang ginawa ng presidente, kunyari, vinito niya several items sa DPWH amounting to 26 billion lang. Hindi niya ginalaw yung insertion ng Congress of 189 billion. So yung budget for flood control, for rock netting, etc. ng nilagay ng Congress, hindi niya ginalaw. Ang ginalaw niya, yung unprogrammed appropriation na wala namang pundod. Binito niya about over 100 billion plus, pero walang epekto yon dahil wala namang pundo yon. Window dressing ang tawag doon. Pangalawa, we are also questioning the constitutionality of the 2025 GAA dahil zero allocation ang binigay sa PhilHealth. Sabi ng saligang batas, health should be given priority. Zero ang binigay Walang priority yan. Tsaka, under the existing law ng sin taxes, dapat 72 billion plus ang ibibigay directly and automatically to PhilHealth. Ang giwa ng Kongreso, hindi nila binigay ito. Kunyari, in the past, dinadaan nila sa GAA, hindi dapat idaan na kasi directly and immediately ibibigay sa PhilHealth. Pero Congress in the 2025 budget withheld this amount, 72 billion. Kaya naging zero allocation tuloy ang PhilHealth. Yung Congress, hindi nila sinunod ng sariling batas nila. They enacted a law, sin tax law, na 72 billion of the sin taxes should go to PhilHealth, pero hindi nila sinunod yon. Saan nila linagay ito? Linagay nila sa DPWH para sa kanilang flood control. Pag tiningnan mo yung budget ng GAA, bawat district, congressional district may budget for flood control.